Hello guys, this is yeZapNaks back again with another video. Yeah, isusu tanita nikungona ma flavors mazepi ma tomato flavors, magango flavors. That one amakagona. Saka isusu tikumbodo doi flavor. Saka kana imimi msingakwanisa kugadzira nchagadzireni. Asi nyango zvikanza azogadzirwa ndiwacho. But ndati mogadzire design redoi flavor. yeZapNaks, like and subscribe. Okay guys, now so I do a bag of yeZapNaks. Guys, with the contrast we take a bag a little bit lighter. Trust I do logo redo yeZapNaks. Shout out to yeZapNaks. Yeah. So I do logo redo up wakati to with I do contrast ni stroke. Nigga saw stroke white as nyato buda ndesa ka blue. And I saw nyaza wakati chaipo. Jitoro inspiration kuni ma flavors. See, yeah, paketa nyando pa ugadzira chizigzag icho. Yeah, icho. Chirapo icho. Icho chakatinetse but yeah, semunhu graphic designer mona zvimunyenyo tinetse zvogadzira. It's not that perfect but it's acceptable. You know what I mean? So I was making. I needed to put a background. Kuseri kwechiningiri kinocho. Saka mazepi acho fanira kunge a brown. Like I just copied the whole thing, which mona mabudira chaita, but achina munyatso kuda zvekudaro. Chiri accurate, but we can take that since we are just having fun. You know what I mean? So the opacity, yeah, favorable. And by the way, guys, like and subscribe. Yeah. Then mumbo trolling strangers. Yeah, kana ku WhatsApp mwenye pramuno ombo testeri mazepi DOVI flavor. Mnozongotora screenshot here the picture ma pictures achazobuda mazepi ayapekupedzera. Surely nyango zvikanza agadzirwa and anoda kudya DOVI. They are disgusting. I don't even know why I came up with this idea though. It's for fun. Yeah. Nyatsa flavor yacho DOVI. Nyatsa kuti corn snacks. Exactly. Corn snacks. No, that piece of stroke here or a black here. And that's what I was going to size. Exactly. Then what I needed to do was put the what do you call it? Yeah. A bigger gun. 35 grams. Yeah, 35 grams. Exactly. 35 grams. Nishabaza kanyazotarisa pane mamwe mabags. Pane mamwe mapackets kuti ndizvere chezvo. Much exactly ndizvo. 35 grams. Done. Okay. So I needed to put ndimozati pa mapackets pane madomasi for tomato, chicken for chicken flavor. So obviously I had to put DOVI chero. DOVI flavor. This is ridiculous. What am I doing? Okay, so ndikaseri kada izvo zvinobuda. Kandikarebesa mchana pandapa ndaisa back kuseri kwemazepi. Exactly. Then push to the right a little bit. Exactly. Auchione manje wakomana imi. I think that's pretty much it. I'm done. Save. Ho. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Get your boy to 500 subscribers. Let me know anything in the comment section. Peace.